YouTube, welcome back to the spot. It is time to kill some boredom. So it's about 7, 8 in the morning. Beautiful day, gloomy. You know, got a hurricane nearby, but some guy brought me this John Deere mower. Man, I ain't touched a John Deere push mower in years. Like, do they even still make push mowers? You know? But yeah, this thing is heavy. It's big. You know, when he pulled up with it, I looked. I'm like, "Yo, bro, that's John Deere." Like John Deere, I know they colors. Like that deer, you know, it stands out. But he said it ain't running. So let's get it, guys. All right, here we go. Good old John Deere, man. That thing old. There it is, JX75 model. Man. Oh yeah. This set up like a riding lawnmower. This from here to the car. This how a lot of riding mowers are. And look at this fuel line. And it travels so far back. That's old school. You get your oil right here. Your fuel over there. This is your intake. It's not leaking any fuel, so let's see if we got fuel and oil. Okay, it's full on oil. Okay, there's no gas, so that might be why he can't get it running. So let's see what happens, guys. And this is bypassing the car. Okay, that lets me believe that the carburetor needs to get clean. It was bone dry. Yep. Okay, guys, so this is going to be a quick carb cleaner. All right, so I'm looking at it, and let's see if I could get y'all a good view. So up under here, above the carburetor, right there. Let me see if I can get y'all some more light. There you go. Up in there, this isn't connected. There's a housing that this goes into, and it's not. See? This is how it was. So for starters, that's off. So we're gonna snatch this carb off. Oh, look at the little spider. Look at him. Hey, little buddy. Oh, get out the gas, you're gonna die. All right, guys. All right, so we're gonna remove these two. I love working on old stuff, guys. It's a part of history, man. Just to see the thought process of the people before us. Okay, issue here at the Sweet Spot is I'm always misplacing my tools, guys, so I don't know where it's at. So we're just gonna slide something hard and thick in that hole. There we go. And fill it up real good. Alright, so here's the little housing. You can see where it was bent, where it wasn't placed in there properly. Oh, and this carburetor's easy to pull. Bam, that's it. Yeah, this must be an overage. Alright, well, yeah, see, something's happening right here. Yeah. So somebody put a sealant on it. But we'll see what's going on, guys. Yeah, flap's good. Alright. And you can see right there, a gasket's leaking out. So yeah, whoever played on this carburetor didn't do a good putback. You got gasket sealing all in the inside. That's potential clogging of the motor. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. That's the issue, guys. Okay guys, so we're gonna have to clean this. And this particular carb, we can pull out the center jet. So I like to pour oil in it. And the reason I do that is I've stripped a lot of these cheap old brass inserts, guys. So I like to throw some oil in there and it helps. Yeah, there we go. Bam. That's one out. Oh, this one only has one. That's even better. Okay. Get you out. If I can. This is stuck in there pretty well also. Got it. All right. Yep. And you can see a little crud in there, right up in there and stuff. But that's as far as we need to break this carb down. Okay, so this has a groove on it right there. It's old school. Don't get many of those. That's why it was so tough to get in or get out. There we go. Bam. Because it's flared out so you can't push it all the way. That will come in handy on new ones, I guess, on the install. And there it is. And the gasket in here is completely sealed around. Okay. It's on there. So I step over there and pull. Man, that's a odd.